Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Kenyatta Medea. So if you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you to the tribe. Make yourself at home. If you're returning, welcome back and bless up yourself.
The container garden has been quite the journey. Ups, downs, sideways, just like everything else in life. So I was very worried about the corn. It was yellowing and still no sign of ear of corn. And after talking to a local farmer, he suggested to cut them out and start again. But I wasn't up for that. Dickie, of course, said, allow them, let them stay, even if they don't have any corn. I shared his sentiment. So there was no sign of ear of corn, so I just decided that this is the faith. I really did overdo it. I put way too much in the container, and then of course once the cooler season started, the containers kept drying out very fast, so it was a bit of a struggle to keep up with keeping them moist.
Okay, I was so lucky. I found this do-it-yourself drip irrigation on the Green Wall garden channel, and here you can see a hole in this bottle. Fill it with some water, and then we're going to place it in the garden. But you can tell right now that once the bottle is filled with water without the cap, the water just runs out. So pretty much one of the key is having the bottle cap on. You'll see how it will slow drip in a little bit. Anyhow, I hope this will be a good solution, because it's not sustainable to be able to water every single day, especially if I go away. Now, can you see that drip? Yes, this is what we're looking for. Some kind of dripping. OMG. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? The first ear of corn is forming. I just can't believe it. I was just downstairs and I saw it and I was like, oh my god, I gotta come up and film it. So here we are filming it, and being here so close, I see there's another one coming through here. Can you see that? So I'm just so glad that I did not listen to that person who advised me to just cut them out and start again. Dickie said, let them stay, man, allow it. I make them come, if they come, then come, if they come, then come, let them stay there. Have them full life and dry up. And it was tempting to cut it out because I wanted to start again, but something inside says no. That's why I said earlier that I don't think I'll be following this dude. Anyways, the corn are looking good. I'm nurturing them with some nice fertilizing liquid. Natural though, natural. I don't know if I'll share the secret with you, but different, I'll be giving it different food to nourish it and give it a healthier life, and also tending to the drought issue by watering and again using that bottle of water. So that wasn't working too well. So what I've done is the same channel, thank you, big up yourself, dude. The same channel, I got this idea to add a fabric so it can slow drip into the soil. So I'm gonna make sure I have one for this one so it never goes dry, since it has this air coming. So we'll slow drip. It is very slow because yesterday I filled it up and today it's halfway, so it's pretty good. Anyways, this is the update, my dear ones. I will check on the other corn and update you on their progress, but it seems as if there's life tell you, man, this is life, up and down. You know, you never really know. So another update on the container garden. Leaving you again for now. Peace out. So folks, so here is another update on the corn in crisis. Yes, I must officially say in crisis, because this corn has been through so much, maybe traumatized, okay, from the drought and lack of nutrients, this poor soil. So you can see the corn are not formed properly. And it's also possible that there may be an ear of corn that has no actually grain of corn on them. This one corn gives a good indicator of what the corn plant itself has gone through. You can see that it's not fully formed. It doesn't even have enough husk to cover over the corn. Anyways, these plants did their best with what they had. And as this chapter comes to almost a close, I just want to give you an update and show you. And with this experience, I have lots of lessons learned for the next time around. Anyways, folks, thank you for watching and following me along with this journey. Leaving you for now. Peace out.